Come on, Bean. Let's take it to the fridge. Oh boy. Bean, come on. Beep, beep, beep. Oh boy. It looks like there might be a kind of a spot. Here in the fridge.